Take note of this in a woman. If you're a married man, even as a single man, dating a woman, make you try know this thing. Hello everyone. I welcome on to our channel. On a good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depending where you from the watch. Na me, on a sister, on a friend, on a girl, baby, breeder concept. Take note of this in a woman. If you're a married man, even as a single man, dating a woman, make you try know this thing. Now, the way you go to know whether this woman don't tire for you, or you don't even get one kind bad plan for you, some kind plan where you don't know. You see, when woman they talk, what they call nagging. When the situation, most times now when I don't still cause waiting on a cause, I say the woman they nag. But I know say women mouth they run like that. Now that their power day. That's so George. But I hail on a men on they try because we women they talk sha. Sometimes you get the one way you go talk, you will be woman say go say I don't tire. You go even the payment the man say you don't do, maybe you keep quiet. I just women character. But with the work, all of us they try work on her. Say we know say sometimes those talk the chop, they enter the men way. But we still they beg. Mona still they try. We they try to talk. Mona still they try and I know they do things we go still make us still talk. Because I not just see person who just stay, say crazy, what I just start to talk, blah, 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 blah. And something will still start. Eh? Because they try, they work on the talking. Because that one is just our own talent, talking. Eh? So God will help all of us. But you see that talking, where some women they talk, they very important too. They make you they know her heart. They make you they know what's in your woman mind. Woman where they talk, good. And the woman they tell you as a man when they watch this video. Woman where they talk, good. You see that way they call nagging. From there, don't talk on your mind. Even if you get plan to kill you tomorrow, say you go forget talker. He good. You see when woman stop to talk, the one way they talk before, you not can talk again. No say you don't tire. You don't accept the situation like that. You don't tire for the talk. You don't want to talk again. They think what you go do when he stop to talk. So when you notice say your woman don't stop to talk, sit down and reason. Say, waiting you don't they talk where I not change, where you know say e not good. Just think calm. Say waiting I they do when not good. This woman not talk again. And try talk to her where it go be say that way they might make talk am. Because if you not talk am, na there they enter the third level. But see some men, you go say my wife, no matter what I do, you know they talk. Sorry for you. Sorry for you. The day when that woman go talk, you. Now so you go open mouth. Now so you go open mouth, keep. If fly enter. You no go remember closer. Because just they gather everything, keep. Woman nature not to talk. So that one we know they talk. I know if he talk. I know maybe they do. The day when you go out. Why they told this thing? I get brother, I get uncles, I get cousins, I get there. Woman will not they talk. I be woman. Woman will not they talk. Even ask your mama, woman will not they talk. Tell her say you just this sometimes talk, waiting they chop your mind. Ask them. May not they pile and keep for you. The day we go count out for you, you go surprise waiting they go can't come out for you. Woman will not they talk, not good. You see that one where they nag, where you say they give you headache. Where they give you headache. e better say you know who you can dey inside house. You dey talk before you no come talk again, no say you don dey think wetin you wan do. No be say e kill you o. E might be say the marriage don e wan waka. E might be say e just wan leave you make you go. Even if you dey see danger, you no go mind. Make you na you know wetin your eye see. Na you know wetin your eye see. Na him she dey talk that time. If na the woman wey get pikin, you say make na im children you dey marry. E no just send you, whether you dey alive, you no dey o. E no send you. So more na dey appreciate woman wey dey talk. E better pass. I know say some men go say, maybe you dey nag or you want make we dey take that nagging. No, I no fit take am. The person wey speak im mind for normal life sef, person wey apart from say woman, your friend wey dey tell you im mind, no be better pass than the one wey dey look you dey okay. You no know whether you offend am, you no know whether you no offend am. You just tell you say e dey okay. You no dey vex. You no dey reason am. Say Odekpama, this woman wey no dey vex. Some go come out dey boast, my wife no dey, no matter wetin I do, she can't talk. She no dey even talk. See am, oga patapata. Your mind tell you say you dey safe. Force am make e talk o, before e go dey late. Force am. Say if you be person wey no dey talk, I dey like make you talk. Because something wey dem no speak come out, e dey mind. E dey heavy for there. When you speak am out, air don carry am. You understand? As that one wey dey nag or wey dey talk, because na nagging una dey call am, na make me call am nagging. Because if not, na wetin you do na the person dey talk. Only say maybe you can't talk and pass again. But normally, no woman will come out and start talking. Crazy dey worry am. You do something wey not clear, now you start to talk. And sometimes wetin dey prolong am na I'm sorry no dey quick come out. Some men go say you no fit say sorry. You can't leave the thing now, you go come enter where the woman go talk the one way she go come be the one now to say sorry. The thing you know say you dey wrong. Don't do abeg, make we leave this talk. Don't be say you go come dey talk, you don't do it like that. Talk go dey long. The woman go come talk the one way you go come say me tell you sorry now. She go come think, you go come think say the woman go tell you that sorry from her mind. Maybe say now you push am into doing what she don't supposed to do. Why the next one, the okapatapata of them all come be when anything way you do, woman tell you say right. But the one way you know say not right, you self, you go come on, you say, this thing, maybe you come back late. You dey always come back late in the night. Maybe she want do you surprise, you still come back late that day and you be promising and say you know come. You dance say you say no, I'm okay. No, it's okay, I understand. Every day they do am. That woman, he not love you. Now the whole heart be that. He not love you. He just dey look you like television. Because even God himself say to get angry not be sin. No. Now may you not keep until the next day. You understand? They break me down or you can't take am for long. And that's why I say you feel may you forgive. Say person verse, you not keep person for inside the verse. Not be bad thing. God the verse. So to verse not be bad thing. Now the rate where you can't carry the anger go. So you do something wrong. You hurt your wife, you not talk her. Because you no want me to call her nagging person. No. Check, be careful, my brother. Be careful. Try no. Wetin dey happen. This woman waiting. Wetin I do you where you not fit forgive. Maybe say na you go say, you don't do me. You can say, waiting I do you. Talk. Answer. Because not be every time you go just dey right. Just the way it be say she no go dey right every time. You know say you dey wrong and he tell you say you dey right, say she's okay, she not feel am. No, that thing I no call am anything. No, he call am. Oh, he call am. No, just be truthful. He call am. Make you let am know say he call am. Say I'm sorry. This thing what I do. Because wetin make me come do this thing. One video where I watch, where the man talk say him wife never complain once one day about am. He come back for house, the wife write letter, keep for her, carrying children, say no marry again. Come write down all the things wey he don do years. The man open mouth. So now make me do this video. Say some women they get mind. See that one where they talk so, they talk in mind, you know. That one where not they talk. Yes, daddy, yes, sir. My wife, you usually put. I'm not saying it bad though. Na very good character. You respect your husband. No, that's shout talking. I'm not saying person they insult your husband or they say may they appreciate women where they talk anyhow. No, but woman where they speak in mind, they good for your life. You know. So if you get any woman where this thing annoyed, I not say make the thing cause trouble for marriage. Nah, to make the marriage strong. If you be woman where we say you know you be that kind of person, you know they feel express your feelings. Try. Let your husband know. Say, see as he be, see as he be. You understand? Or if you get who you still dey close to, if na your family, but it better say you talk am to the man than say you dey talk am for outside before you know all those things where you dey tell the person, you go hear am for outside. See, try. Tell the man say this thing wey you do, I don't like am. Maybe say the man say sorry. If you not still say sorry, if you see and say the thing is still they do and they do and they do, make sure say you talk, and when they will ask the man, she be the talk this thing, you say yes, he dey complain. Then say you know just talk and you just take decision why not come for the man. No, it's not good. Now that video where I see that made me do this thing. For years, marriage with them day for years, don't born children, not be child, not be one. Don't born children. The man see with his wife never quarrel once. Say they use and they boast. Say shame they catch her now. How to tell people say wife leave her? Show them this later. Waiting the wife can't say now do for years. The man doing for years. Where she they keep. Say she not be the talking type. But you are the doing type. Action type. Still talk. If the man not change, they say hey, if you don't talk, I not change. No, say you don't take the action. Why? Say you don't they keep on since. The man might be doing it. You don't know say he hurt you because you not to say he hurt you. So if you get any opinion or any comments, wanna drop on the comment section. Wanna share the video, like, subscribe to our channel. God bless you. See you in my next video.